Hi, Warabile. This is one of the sounds that you will be dealing with in your spelling this week. Okay, so we have EW on the one side where we've color coded it in yellow. Where we've color coded it in yellow in these words, 1, 2, 3, 4 words. In these 4 words where EW has been color coded in yellow, it sounds the way that the letter U would sound in the word unicorn. So EW in yellow sounds like U. Okay, and then we have E and W together, where we've only just color coded it in green. And on this side, the sound that the E and W make together sounds like ooh, like in the word k, ooh, cool. So this side we have U, and this side we have ooh. So in the words that have not been color coded in yellow, EW makes the ooh sound. In the words where EW has been color coded in yellow, it makes the U sound. Okay, so we'll start off by reading the words and then we'll go back for the sounds. Okay, and the spelling. The word is few, new, stew, grew, crew, through, jewel, newspaper, screw, drew, cashew, and chew. Okay, so now we go back to number 1, and the sounds are f, you, few, f, you, few, and the spelling FEW, 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 few. The sounds in the word new, n, you, new, n, you, new, like a new pair of shoes. Spelling NEW, 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 new. Sounds in the word stew, you, stew, you, stew, you, stew, 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 stew. Let's do newspaper because it also has the U sound. N, U, Z, P, A, P, newspaper. N, U, Z, P, A, P, newspaper. N, U, Z, P, A, P, newspaper. Spelling NEWSPAPER, newspaper. NEWSPAPER, newspaper. If the word is too long to remember, you can put an imaginary line over here and then remember news by itself and paper by itself. But remember, it is one long word, but if you can separate the words for yourself in your head with the imaginary line, then it's easier to remember news, news, paper, news, news, paper. News and paper together makes the word newspaper. Now let's spell it. NEWSPAPER, newspaper. NEWSPAPER, P-A-P-E-R, newspaper. N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R, newspaper. Okay, so now we've done all the words that have the U sound. It sounds like U, like in a unicorn. F-U, few. N-U, new. St-U, stew. News, paper, newspaper. So now we go to the oo sound. So EW can sound like you, but EW can also sound like oo. And so now we attend to the words where EW sounds like oo. Gr, oo, grew. Cr, oo, crew. Through, through. Jewel, jewel. Screw, screw. Drew, drew. Cashew. Chew. Sounds: grew. Grew. I grew up in Soweto. Grew. Spell: G-R-E-W, grew. G-R-E-W, grew. G-R-E-W, grew. Crew. Crew. She is part of the filming crew. Spell: C-R-E-W, crew. C-R-E-W, crew. C-R-E-W, crew. Through. Through. She threw a stone. She threw the stone at the dog and it accidentally hit the window. Threw. It's like the past tense of the word throw. Through. Okay? Jewel. Hold on. Did we spell through? We only made the sounds. Spelling: T-H-R-E-W, through. T-H-R-E-W, through. T-H-R-E-W, through. Sounds: jewel. Jewel. Spell: J-E-W-E-L, jewel. J-E-W-E-L, jewel. J-E-W-E-L, jewel. She is a precious, precious jewel. Screw. Screw. Spell: S-C-R-E-W, screw. S-C-R-E-W, screw. S-C-R-E-W, screw. Drew. Spell: D-R-E-W, drew. D-R-E-W, drew. D-R-E-W, drew. He drew an excellent picture. Cashew. 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 C-A-S-H-E-W, cashew. C-A-S-H-E-W, cashew. Chew. C-H-E-W, chew. C-H-E-W, chew. C-H-E-W, chew. I chew a cashew nut. I chew a cashew nut.